Here I have Google Pixel, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be your apps list, and then you have to hold down power key and volume down at the same time for about a second, like this. And that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Volume down, power key at the same time, and screenshot will be taken. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots section, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.